I dedicate my last years to help make Assam a state that recognizes and is recognized by all.
Balay ka jingkran ratan tata na dodonut kala pensyo jingi tong ini sngap ka message kerpang jong industrialis ratan tata ka jingkran jong ratan tata ber ka jingdon lang do Prime Minister Modi ha liang jong u halor rensan la pensyo jingi ha social media sedang nu he saipan prap saus nem karta ya ka jingkran jong u ha ka hindi Henry pendap ha ka English da ka bau ong nang keren bha ber ka ni ka ktin lajar kataw ya iban kano un keren na do ka donut ai jingkran ratan tata ya ka jinglum lang halor ka jingpli ya nyau teli ki hospital kanser ha Assam kini ke hospital latei da ke jingdon metalang kata tetras pat ka sorkar Assam uratan tatawong kwa ban pelut ikisngi khadu jonga na kamenta ka bha kamiat ka roy ka par jong ka Assam.
Today is a very important day in the history of the state of Assam. It is a day that raises Assam to a higher level in terms of health care and treatment of cancer that has not been experienced by the other states in the country. It really is a day that cancer, which is not a rich man's disease, is being equipped to serve and treat the millions of people that are inflicted. I dedicate my last years to help make Assam a state that recognizes and is recognized by all.
Ai jingero katu ka ni kiba penenkam Twitter ya ka buram ber ka jingsungu jong tata ya kari yero kiba penenkam Twitter ya ka jingkran rotan tata khot ya kani bagadi ka bahatam ha internet menta khoble shibon